Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to use Strava for weights. So hey guys, in today's video I'll be teaching how to use your Strava for weights. For all of those weight gainers right there. So fat, just joking. So now all we need to do is open up your Strava right here and then press on record right here. After pressing on record right here, you guys see right now you're at weight training. So right here, there's a lot if you're I think on default it's on run, something like that, or walk. But now if you want to put it on weights, go down till you see the other sports, then you will see just below rock climbing, weight training. Just press on the weight training and then press on start when you're ready to start your weight. For example, pump. There we go. So there. So you finish your weight training and just click on finish right here when you're ready. So yeah, there you go. That's how you do it. And another way of doing this is by clicking on your profile right here on top right corner. After pressing on your profile right there, click on edit. After pressing on edit, just go down till you see weight kg. Now you can put in your weight right there. Let's say our weight is gonna be 1000. How about they get 10,000? Right there, 10,000 kg. You're very strong. I think you're stronger than Captain America or maybe Hulk. Yeah, or you're just very fat. Yeah, depending on those two. But yeah, there you go. And then after doing that, click on done when you are ready. Yeah, like that. Oh wait, it won't let us. Yeah, so let's say it's not possible to hit the 10,000 kg. But yeah, there you go, guys. So there, I hope you guys like the video. Please enjoy it. If you have any more questions, you can type it down in the comment section below, guys. Happy to answer you guys. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.